Welcome. This video is about how to use the features using Google Chrome. So this is going to be Google's web browser. A couple different things to help you get started is you can see a couple maybe differences in my browser than yours. Up at the top, you're going to see things called Chrome extensions. Extensions are basically ways to improve functionality on your websites. So anything on these, they're all doing something a little bit different. This one is a Wakelet extension. This one will add my websites to a particular collection. Everything here is my bookmark bar, so that you can see that I have folders, I have icons, but I also have icons with words. If you're trying to get to your bookmarks, you can always right-click on the bookmark bar and make sure that you see Show Bookmarks Bar is selected. You can add a folder. This is a way to help you organize, so you can see these are bookmarks, but they're organized into different folders. If I need to edit one of these, so if I don't need the words here, I can right-click, tap on Edit, and then I can trainer site, and I can hit Save, and you'll see that it updated here. You can also remove bookmarks by hitting the Delete button. And then you can also, when you edit, you can just simply take away the name completely. So all I see is just the icon. So you have a lot of different options in how you work with them. You can sort them into folders if you need. So if I need this one, I can tap it and put it in my personal folder. So now it's down below. I can tap it and bring it out and drop it anywhere along my bookmark bar. Bookmarks are very helpful. A way that you can bookmark, for example, let's say you have your checklist and you're ready to bookmark it. All you'll do is tap on the star, and then I can change this. So level 1 checklist folder, I'm going to put this in my tech site or my personal folder. Or you can create a new folder for a bookmark. So you can see I just have a lot of bookmarks, but I can always click and move it out. So now it's a little bit more accessible. You can also find bookmarks using the 3 dots, and you'll see bookmarks here. So you'll see all the ones that I have. You also have a bookmark manager. So that one is also where you can see all the different things that you've moved around. You still have the 3 dots, and that works as well. Under those same 3 dots, you're going to see other options like adding a new tab, opening a new window, and creating something called Incognito. So Incognito is a way to browse privately. You can see that Google provides some brief information like your history will not be stored, cookies and site data, information that you enter will not be able to be tracked. So that's how you can open the Incognito. File, new Incognito window. You'll also see the options that if you ever want to save a tab. So pinning a tab, if you right-click and select pin, this basically will keep it attached to your browser. So if I accidentally close Chrome, I'll open it back up and anything that I've pinned will always stay there. So it's quite nice. So I can hit pin and you'll see it kind of move to the front. You'll just see the icon. So that's a couple other options. You also can see more tools that are here. This is where you can browse all your extensions that you've added, and you'll see additional settings. Settings is a great place if you ever need to update your Google Chrome. When you're ready to add an extension, I'm going to tap on Apps, and here you're going to see the Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store is a place where you can get apps, you can get extensions, and you can see themes. Themes are just ways that make your Chrome look a little bit differently. So you can see a couple different features. You can filter by running offline, if it's made by Google, if it's free, if it works with Drive. You can also check ratings as well. So extensions, so I can see all of these. Ooh, Grammarly, this one's going to help me write a little bit better. All I'm going to do is tap Add to Chrome. Add extension. It says it has been successfully added. And then it may take you to a separate site depending on if you're needing an account for that particular extension. And that's the Chrome Web Store. Things that are in your Google browser. So your Omnibar is the box at the top where you actually see the web address. So you can actually search here. Let's put timer 10 minutes. And look at that. I already have a timer and it's already started. Chrome can also be a stopwatch. if you need to do that one as well. So I'm going to hit stop. I can also convert. So convert 5, sure. And now you can see I have drop-down options. So I can convert any of these to any of these. You also have all of these options, so you can calculate area. You can also search for formulas in Chrome as well. So I just searched volume of a cube. So enter a value for the edge, so 6. And you'll see that it automatically calculates. Notice you'll see surface area, same idea. So I can do 12 and it'll automatically calculate. You'll see a drop down and they'll even show you the solution. So how they actually got to see their work. So Chrome can do a lot of things. Your settings and your filtering options. So let's say I'm looking for volume. I'm just going to keep this general. So I can tap on hearing the different word. It'll show definitions. If I tap on images, I'm going to see a lot of choices here. I'm going to see ways that I can filter down. So if I need to filter these down a little bit more and kind of keep going, I can tap on tools and I can search for different sizes for pictures. I can search for a different color. I can filter by usage rights, which is a great option for your students when you're looking at am I allowed in copyright and digital citizenship. I can search by type, and I can search how recent the photo actually is. Or I can tap on cylinder. So any of these are great. You can also click and drag up, and you can search by image similarity. Thank you for watching the video using Google Chrome.